What's up, everybody? It's Dave from Sell House Columbus, and I am here with another seller, Mr. Gavin Summers, and we are purchasing Gavin's house. And Gavin, how'd you first find out about Sell House Columbus?
Yeah, so pretty much I just went on Google and I looked up, quick cash sale in Columbus, Ohio, and you guys were the first ones that popped up. So, I gave you guys a call and you guys are very quick with it. I ended up getting contacted the next day and we went on from there.
Did you get everything you wanted for the house, and was the process pretty simple for you?
Oh yeah, super simple. I did very little, very little. That's all I could say. Very little.
Excellent. What was the situation a little bit? Was this your house or a family member's house or something that you were?
This was my father's house. He passed away in 2021, so we had to wait through probate and all that. And pretty much the old buyer we had, kind of screwed us over, and you guys, just like that,
Pretty much once a week, I hear the same story, man. I mean, not everybody who says they actually buy houses are the real deal and actually take this thing to the closing table. And, that's just unfortunate, but I'm glad that we were able to get this done for you. And last question is, what would you say to somebody else who's looking to sell their house fast and keep it real simple?
Oh yeah, definitely work with you guys. You guys made it really simple for me. I literally did very little. A few texts every now and then just to make sure everything was going good, and that's basically all I did. Your guys' title company took care of most of the work for me, and your team worked very fast to help get this process going.
Well, we're glad to be, just to have the opportunity to work with you. And if you're watching this video and you have a house that you're looking to sell fast and easy, give us a call or click on our website, sellhousecolumbus.com. We'll give you a no obligation offer. And we just focus on being fair. You're going to get far in life if you just be fair. It's not a lot of haggling that happened. We don't play the low ball game or anything like that. We didn't really haggle too much, you and I, right, Gavin?
No, not at all. I asked for a price, and that's what we settled on.
We settled, and you kind of did your homework too as well. You kind of had an appraisal and stuff, and we're happy to be fair. We move fast and we're local. So if you got a property you're looking to sell fast, give us a call, 614-300-5151, or find us online, sellhousecolumbus.com. Gavin, any final words?
No, sir. That's all.